In our previous class, we have finished exercise 3.1, and there we have solved many questions related to the interior angles of a polygon. And one thing that we have noticed out there is the angle sum of a polygon having different number of sides is different. So like for example, for a polygon having 3 sides, the angle sum is 180 degree, that is for triangle. For a polygon having 4 sides, the angle sum is 360 degree, that is for quadrilateral. For a polygon having 5 sides, the angle sum is 540 degree, that is for pentagon. Now the next topic is some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Now let me consider a polygon having 5 sides and 5 vertices. This is the first vertex, second, third, fourth and fifth. And at each vertex there are 2 angles, one red in color and another blue in color. And what we can notice out here is all the angles that are red in color, they lie inside the polygon. And as they lie inside the polygon, all these angles which are red in color, we call them interior angle. And all the angles which are blue in color, they lie outside the polygon, and for that reason we call them as exterior angle. So there are 5 interior angles. Let me give the name: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. And similarly, there are 5 exterior angles. Let me denote the exterior angle by 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if we add all the exterior angles, then we get 360 degree. And this is not only valid for pentagon having 5 sides, but for all polygons having any number of sides. The sum of the measure of exterior angle is always equal to 360 degree. So it is valid for triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. For any polygon, the sum of the measures of the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. And which is not in case for the interior angles. The sum of interior angles for the polygon is different for having different number of sides. So that is the main difference between the angle sum of interior angles of a polygon and angle sum of exterior angles of a polygon. And at each vertex, if we add the interior angle and the exterior angle, then we always get 180 degree. So that we can write the sum of interior angle and exterior angle at the same vertex is 180 degree. So like for example, so at this vertex, interior angle is 1 and exterior angle is 6. So if we add these two angles, angle 1 and angle 6, then we get 180 degree. Now let me solve question number 1 from exercise 3.2, and the question is find x in the following figure. And this is the given figure, and it is a polygon having 5 sides. And in this figure, the 4 exterior angles are given and 1 interior angle is given. So first we need to find this exterior angle. As I have already discussed before, the exterior angle and the interior angle at the same vertex, they are linear pair. So if we add them, then we get 180 degree. So this exterior angle will be 180 degree minus the measure of this interior angle. So 180 degree minus 90 degree. So this exterior angle will also be 90 degree. Then the sum of the measures of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So here we add all the 5 exterior angles. The first angle is x, and the second angle that we have got out here is 90 degree, plus the third angle is 60 degree, fourth angle here is 90 degree because this is the symbol for 90 degree, and the fifth angle out here is 70 degree. So if we add all the exterior angle, then we must get 360 degree. Now here we simplify in the left hand side. So x plus 310 degree equals to 360 degree, and after subtraction we get 50 degree. So that the value for x, or the value of the exterior angle, is 50 degree. Now the next formula is to find the relation between the number of sides of a regular polygon and its exterior angle. So here I have written regular polygon with red in color because this formula is valid only for regular polygon. And we know that the total measure of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So using this, we can write the formula for finding the number of sides of a polygon, which is given by 360 degree by measures of its exterior angle. So if we know the measure of its exterior angle of a polygon, then using this formula we can easily find the number of sides of that polygon. And in case if the number of sides is given and we are required to find the its exterior angle of the polygon, then we can use this formula, which is the measure of its exterior angle of a polygon equals to 360 degree by number of sides. So these two are very useful formula you have to remember. Now let me solve question number 2 from exercise 3.2, and the question is, find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides. So in this case, the polygon is having 9 sides and we need to find the measures of each exterior angle of this polygon. And we have already written the formula, and the formula is measure of its exterior angle is given by 360 degree divided by number of sides. So according to this question, the number of sides is 9. So we divide 360 degree by 9, and after dividing we get 40 degree. So this is the measures of its exterior angle of polygon having 9 sides. So at last we write, hence the measure of its exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides is 40 degree. So this is how we find the measures of its exterior angle of a polygon if the number of sides is given. Now let me solve question number 4 from exercise 3.2, and the question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Now in this question, each of the exterior angle is not given, but each of the interior angle is given, which is 165 degree, and we need to find the number of sides. So let me first write what is given in the question. Each interior angle is 165 degree. So the first thing that we have to do is we need to find each of the exterior angle. So which is given by the formula 180 degree minus interior angle. And after subtraction here we get 15 degree. So after finding measures of its exterior angle, then we can use the formula, and the formula is number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by measures of its exterior angle. And putting the value for the measures of its exterior angle here, we get 360 degree by 15 degree, and after dividing we get 24. So this polygon is having 24 sides. So at last we write the conclusion as, hence the number of sides of a regular polygon having its interior angle 165 degree is 24 sides. So in this way we need to solve question number 4 if the interior angle is given and we need to find the number of sides.